So what are 3 Thailand stocks that you can actually take a position on, alright, just like any other normal Singapore stock? Hey guys, Joe here, top tier MyZero trader in Philips Securities, and in this video I'll be sharing with you just 3 stocks that has been launched recently, and this is what we call SDR, Singapore Depository Receipts, which allows you to take a position in a foreign stock, right, that's listed in an overseas exchange, but you're able to do it and take a position in that just like any other normal Singapore stock. You can buy them on the SGX. And now we have what we call the Thailand underlying SDRs that are launched. So 3 Thailand stocks that you are able to take a position in, which a lot of people are still not aware yet. So in this video, we'll be diving a little bit deeper into that. So let me just share with you what are the 3 stocks, what are they doing, what's the company about, and we'll look at the charts for the 3 underlying Thailand stocks, right? And then I'll show you guys how you can actually take a position in the one that is listed on the SGX, basically the SDR, the Singapore Depository Receipts, whereby you can take a position in that, all right, to actually buy the Thailand stock, right? You don't have to do it directly, you can actually buy the SDR. All right, so let's dive into it right now. So let me share with you the 3 stocks which most people are not aware of, and this is what we call the 3 stocks right over here. So in this column right here, you can see that the underlying Thai stocks that are listed on the SET, the Stock Exchange of Thailand, is the first one to be Airports of Thailand. This is what we call AOT.BK. That is the code in terms of the code that's listed on the Thailand Stock Exchange. So Airport of Thailand, as the name suggests, it is in the business of operating and managing the airports in Thailand. So it runs the baggage counter, airline counters, the restaurants, the duty-free stores, the check-in, security check-in, all that. Pretty much in the business of operating the airports in Thailand, right? So that is the underlying stock that is listed in Thailand. And we have the Thai SDR, right? The code is TATD. Later I'll share with you the stock as well, right, in terms of how you can buy it on any trading platform in Singapore, just like any other normal Singapore stocks, like your banks or DBS and all that is the same, right? Same as any other normal Singapore stocks. You can just buy them on the SGX without buying the underlying stock in the SET, in the Stock Exchange of Thailand. All right, so the code is TATD, all right, and this is what we call a Thai SDR listed on the SGX. All right, so that's the first stock. The second stock will be this right here, PTT Exploration and Production. The code is PTTEP.BK. So this company is in the business of oil and gas exploration and production in Thailand as well, one of the leading companies there. All right, and we have a Thai SDR for it. The code is TPED. And finally, we have this company called CPO, right, that is listed in Thailand as well. The code is CPALL.BK. So this company operates the 7-Eleven convenience store chains in Thailand, all right, and we have the SDR as well that is listed on the SGX. The code is TCPD, right? So let's go ahead to take a look at the prices of each of the 3 underlying stocks in terms of the trading platform, and then we'll go ahead to dive into the charts of the 3 of them to see where we are right now. Could that actually be an opportunity to think about getting in on these stocks? But then we will not take a position in the underlying stock that's listed on the SET. We can, as I say, take a position on the normal SDR, right? Normal stock traded on the SGX, like any other normal Singapore stocks. You can actually take a position on the right hand column right over here, TATD, TPED, and TCPD. That is pretty much the code for the Thai SDR that is listed and traded on the SGX. So I'm logged into my trading platform, my trading account, and that's where you can do it as well. You can pull out the underlying stock, the Thailand stock, and also the SDR that is pretty much following the underlying stock. So the first one will be Airport of Thailand right here. The code is AOT.BK that we have covered, and this is the SDR, the Airport of Thailand Thai SDR. So you can see that for the name, for the SDR, there's a TH based SDR at the back, all right, which means Thai SDR, all right, so the code is TATD. Same thing for the other second stock, the underlying is PTTEP, all right, and there's an SDR for it right here. Same thing, the third one would be CPO, the SDR is right over here. So all the words that goes with the ending with SDR, TH SDR, TH SDR, TH SDR right here, that is the underlying stock that you can actually buy just like any other normal Singapore stock, right? You don't have to actually take a position in the underlying stock that is traded in Thailand. You don't have to incur like additional fees or foreign exchange fee or conversion and all that charges, right? No, you can just buy it like any other normal Singapore stock is traded in Singapore dollars, right? These SDR are traded in normal Singapore dollars. All right, so let's dive into the charts for the 3 underlying stocks. So AOT.BK, we have PTTEP.BK, and CPO to see where we are right now, if there's actually an opportunity to think about getting in. All right, are there more upside? What's the trend looking like right now? And then we will kind of like, convert it back to the Thai SDR that is listed and traded on the SGX and see how we can actually position ourselves to buy the Thai SDR, right, based on the prices after the conversion. Right, so let's dive into the first one right now, and that will be AOT, Airport of Thailand underlying stock. So this is the underlying stock, Airport of Thailand, that is traded on the SET, Stock Exchange of Thailand. All right, and you can see that it's trading at about 71 to $72. So very quickly, let's take a look at the chart to see where we are, if there's actually an opportunity to think about getting in. All right, so you can see that over the past 6 to 8 months, we have formed quite a good support level right over here. That would be the $68, right? $68. You can see a couple of times we neared it and we just push off from that level, right? 68, you can see rebounded again, and it was also a resistance level whereby we were trading below for most part of 2021. All right, right over here. So it's a bit of a resistance turn support. You can see as we broke this level, we swing all the way up gradually, came back down, retested, swing up, swing down, and we are pretty much in this range right now, from about 68 to about that 76 Thai baht. All right, that is the range, and this is the underlying stock. This is in Thai baht. So if we convert this, right, so from 68 to 76, what you could do is just to take a quick calculation, a conversion from Thai baht to Singapore dollars. You just times 0.039, so 68 and 76, that would be like $2.65 if you convert it to Singapore dollars, and $2.96 if you convert it to Sing dollars, right? So that is pretty much how you can take a position if it actually nears this support level. So I would say that we can potentially see some bargain hunting as we approach this level right over here near that 68 to 69 to 70, and that is pretty much the range. So on dips for the underlying near 68, that's where you could time your entry. But as I say, right, you don't have to buy the underlying stock that is listed on the SET. You can actually take a position in the Singapore stock, the Thai underlying SDR, which is the code TATD, which means after doing a conversion in the prices, that would be near that $2.65. So 265 here and 296. So you can actually take a position as it nears the $2.65 for the SDR. So let's take a look at the price right now. All right, for TATD, it's about $2.72, 75. All right, so if it nears $2.65 for the SDR, Airport of Thailand SDR, that's where you could take a position as it nears that support for the underlying stock. And as it approaches, it rebounds, all right, and it hits to that 76 Thai baht. Well, that would be around $2.96 Singapore dollars, which is where you could also take some profit, right, for the SDR. So let's take a look at the next Thai underlying stock that is called PTTEP. So this same thing, this stock is listed on the SET, trading at about $167. So let's analyze the stock before we convert it into the Thai SDR listed on the SGX and how we could actually buy the SDR, right? So you can see the trend is not too bad, right? Not too bad. You can see that we are forming what we call higher lows, right? So this was pretty much the bottom we found somewhere in March, all right? The support became a little bit higher in June, July, and it became a little bit higher somewhere in September as well. And you can see that we have broken this pretty key resistance level. So this was the 165 $5. This is a line that I've drawn about 165 to 164 right over here. It was actually a support level. You can see we actually rebounded from it a couple of times, rebounded, and we broke down. We sold all the way down, and then you can see we retested it. So it was a support turn resistance, and we actually attempted to break above that 164 to 165 resistance level. So seems like right now it's about 167. So it is good, right? If you can stay above that 164 to 165, I think the uptrend can slowly start to form up, all right? And we may see more upside from this, from 164, 165, maybe all the way up to that, maybe 170 to 180 level. That could potentially be the upside targets for PTTEP, right? So you can actually, as I say, take a position in the SDR. So let's take a look at these numbers right now. Let's say if you to dip a little bit to, this higher support level, maybe somewhere around 165, around there. you could actually take a position in the SDR. So 165 times 0.039, that's just a slight conversion from Thai baht to Singapore dollars. That would be about $6.40, right? $6.40. And for 180, let's say you want to take some profit, all right? 180 Thai baht, you convert it to Singapore dollars, you times 0.039, it's about $7 Singapore dollars, right? So let's compare it with the price of the SDR. So you can see it's about $6.41. So yeah, I think somewhere around there it hits to near about $6.40 around there, right? That's where you could take a position because it's very near. In terms of the price conversion, is very near to the underlying. So it's about that 641, 642. We are pretty much near the support level. And if we were to rebound and it hits to about $7, so from 641, it hits to about $7, which would be 180 Thai baht, right? That is pretty much that resistance level right over here for the Thai underlying. And that could actually be a level for you to get out if you actually buy the SDR from 641 all the way to about $7, right? Just by looking and analyzing the Thai underlying stock. The third underlying Thai stock that is listed on the SCT, right? CPO, the company that operates the 7-Eleven store chains in Thailand, right? So you can see that we are trading at about $64.60. So over the past, I would say, 8 to 9 months, we have found a pretty good support right over here at about that $60. So a couple of touches of when it approaches, we saw buyers coming back, rebounded. Look at this right here. We actually attempted to break it, but buyers came back and pushed it all the way back up. So we are now at about 64, 65, which is pretty much in the middle of this range right now. So I think the range is quite clear from about 60 Thai baht all the way to about 70 Thai baht. So if it dips, right, in terms of the underlying stock, if it does dip to near that 60 Thai baht level, that is where you could time your entry to get in to maybe ride the rebound all the way to that 70 Thai baht, right? But having said that, as I say, you can buy the SDR. You do have to buy the underlying Thai stock that is listed on the SCT, right? So if you just want to convert 60 Thai baht and then 70 Thai baht upside, so 60 Thai baht, that would be about $2.34, and for 70 Thai baht, that would be about $2.73. So let's take a look at the price right now for the Thai SDR. So this is CPO. You can see it's about 63.75, 64 around there. And in terms of the price level for the CPO SDR, it's about $2.50, right? $2.45 around there. Right, and in terms of an entry, so $2.34, near $2.34, that would be the support after conversion to Singapore dollars. That would be the support level. And in terms of the target or the resistance level, it will be $2.73. All right, if it does actually rebound for the underlying, it rebounds back up. So that is a level you could actually take some profit if you buy the SDR, and that would be about $2.73. All right, so I've covered the 3 Thai underlying stock. We have looked at the charts of the 3 Thai underlying stock, which is Airport of Thailand's, PTT Exploration and Production, and we have CPO as well. And I've shown you guys how you can actually do a simple conversion from Thai baht to Singapore dollars, and from that we are able to take a position in the Thai SDR that's listed on the SGX right over here. So these are the 3 stocks again: Airport of Thailand, TATD, PTTEP would be this code TPED, and we have CPO, the code is TCPD. So you can check it out, or you can type in the name of any of the SDR that's listed on the SGX, and that's where you could actually take a position in the top popular 3 Thailand stocks that are listed on the SET without actually buying the stocks over there. Alright, so I hope you like this video, guys. You get to understand a little bit more on how you can take a position in some of the Thailand stocks and how you can do it easily, just like any other normal Singapore stocks. So if you like this video, guys, go ahead to give me a like. Alright, smash the subscribe button so that you will not miss out on any videos like this. And if you want to find out a little bit more on the one good trend strategy, pretty much the framework that we use to analyze any single stock, alright, and how we have a system to guide us on entry and exit as well, you can attend one of our free webinars or web class that we're still running. I'll place the link below this video. Around it, click on the link to register for a free webinar to learn a little bit more on my strategy that has helped me got out of a 740k debt. I'll share more in the webinar. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.